It's the pressure. When you sit alone in your room, there's only one thing to do. Hi, I'm Shelly. Nice to meet you. I know, and I want to apologize ahead of time because I know that this one is not going to be as funny as the one before. I'm more chill about it. I don't know what to say. I already sound like a loser talking to myself in a room. Now I know what all you YouTubers feel like. No wonder you have no friends. Ha ha ha. I guess I might as well just show you what I do in my room when I'm here alone. Lil 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 aha. Lil. You want to get into my head, but I don't know. You want to know what's going on in that little, this shaped thing. I'll tell you. Matrushkas. Yeah. Yeah, that's better. That's better. A playful puppy, a cute puppy, a fuzzy puppy. I have a fish, too. Fish. Fishy-dee-doopy-doopy fish. Hey, fishy. Hi, fishy. Sometimes I call him little man. That's what I'm trying to say. Just want to let you know to get out of here as fast as you can. It's not safe. This is what you need to do now. Get out of here. Skedaddle.